That's how you lose a fish.
Oh, I'm on him. That was nice. I like that. Wake up. It's time to go fishing. All right, we're heading out on the Feather River this morning. It's about 6 a.m. on Sunday. Hopefully we'll get my first keeper striper. Fingers crossed, guys. Fingers crossed. What's going on?
Well, if you want to cast, you can, or you can drift minnows. Let's get out of here. I don't know. This is usually what we cast with.
Oh, nice. Oh, it's got a nice wobble head on it.
Yeah. Yeah, if you want to use that or whatever. I'm just going to pop a minnow in the water on the way down.
I can do that.
There's another pole over here set up. Yeah, take that one.
Alright.
The minnows.
Winners. Get a picture of them there. They're pretty good. Got some good sized ones in there.
Yeah.
Nice little shiner.
These are called jumbos. $28 a dozen.
Woo! Did you go through the mouth or the back?
You go through the top, through the mouth.
Top of the mouth,
up
through the top.
Yeah, not too far back, cause it.
Yeah. Cause it'll end that. It'll stop a lot of the action, right?
Yeah, yeah. It ends up killing them. I've done it.
Alright, what part do you think you come out of in this guy?
Pardon?
Where you want to come out?
Right about there.
Okay.
Yeah, just the hair behind the lip.
Alright.
And we just kind of get it as close to the bottom as you can. We're 12 feet here. I try to keep it up off the bottom a little bit.
Yeah, so it doesn't snag anything?
There's snags, yeah.
You said it's about 12 to 14?
Yeah, 13 feet right now. It varies a lot.
Alright.
Yeah, having that seal up here is not a good sign.
Well, yes and no. At least it means it was following fish.
Around, yeah.
You just don't want to be next to it because it's gonna run them off.
Scatter, yeah.
At least he's already passed. Darn seal's following us. Yeah.
Somebody took a picture saying.
Not a small one either.
No. Might be a sea lion. They said sea lions would come
Sea
up.
lions? Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah. Somebody posted online that they're actually taking the fish right off people's hooks.
Yeah, probably as they're trying to fight them in and stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, it draws attention to it.
Yeah, it slows it down a bit. Makes it easy.
Imagine what it feel like when that thing grabs it.
What's your limit size on the seal?
Yeah.
What's your limit on that?
Not limit on the seal.
Yeah. So, would you get out of here? Yeah. He's gonna come steal my minnow.
Yeah. Yeah, he's coming right over here.
We're gonna get one in our boat. He's probably coming to check it. I bet you he has followed them boats before and is kind of hoping. I wonder.
Making me nervous now.
Right.
Pulling his line. Oh, there he is over there.
Oh, there he goes. What are you doing, buddy? Kind of an interesting encounter. It's getting a little crazy, isn't it? Oh, he has one.
Yeah.
But I think it looked like a regular little bass. Kind of green.
Catfish or something. Oh, really? Oh.
Oh. Definitely.
Yeah, I'll just leave this one down for a while.
Oh, of course. It's like, wait.
Bring it back up there in a minute.
No worries on it. Mess with this guy. I might just switch it to the other rod, even though it has braid, but I don't know if they're braid shy or not. You don't seem to find that they mind the braided line or anything? They don't seem to care.
No, they don't seem to care. I got braided line on this. No, on that one, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes. What's that thing?
Big pump station. Pump water on the river for the, for flooding the ice fields and
Oh, okay.
and it's grounded jig heads. I know it's hard to find right now, so everybody using them.
Is that what the common thing is out here?
Yeah.
Yeah, they give a nice little wobble. Whoa. That was a fish, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Maybe I should be throwing the top water. That was a crazy that was a crazy jump. Watch this one guy who... Oh! I'm on him! I'm on him!
All right.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they fight.
Okay. I would not expect it actually to work.
Let him run a little bit, tire him out. Yeah, that's a nice one. Hang on.
Yeah, keep it, just trying to keep tension on him.
Yeah. All right.
Woo.
Oops. Damn.
Oh.
Damn.
Whew, that was close.
I'll say.
Woo, broke off from the boat. All right. Oh, we got tangled. That's probably why. What did you say, a 19? He's probably a little shy, isn't he?
Yeah, he's a keeper.
Is he a keeper?
Yeah. Yeah, he's big enough.
I'm just curious. All right. Oh, no, you don't. All right. Oh, yeah.
About 20.
19 and a half. Oh, yeah, 20.
Yeah.
Would you be so kind as to get a picture of me holding this?
Yeah.
When you're done with that? All right. I'll take it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I guess I took a picture. Yeah.
Yeah. Got it. Nice.
There we go.
All right, let's string them up.
That was a good cast.
Yeah, it was right.
Right
It
on.
was right on him, but I didn't expect him to go for it. Maybe there's a little school or something.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Where'd that lure go? We'll tie that back.
Huh?
Where's that lure?
Yeah.
No, I'll tie it on my rod if you don't
Actually,
mind.
the line actually broke. That ain't
Oh,
bad.
no, I'll use mine. I got fresh. What pound line do you use on yours? On that one there, I got 30, so I'll use that one.
30?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I usually use like 20, 25.
Yeah, I think it's all the same price and almost the same size, so.
Yeah.
Where
Yeah, I
is
need to replace that line. Damn.
Woo!
Yeah, that was close.
That was very close.
Oh, you did.
But I mean, they do got sharp teeth, so I mean, yeah. Oh, that was there we go. That was fun.
Yeah, pretty good fight, huh?
I just didn't expect, you know, I was like, oh yeah, I'll cast there, but how often does it actually, you know, you see it spot? Let me see, actually.
Yeah,
Let's see what this does real quick. No, there we go. That was my first keeper straight bass.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
We're gonna be laughing about that all day. I'm surprised. I am surprised we did not lose that fish.
Yeah, I know. Probably would have if we were anchored, because it's a lot harder to pull when you're pulling against the current also.
Oh yeah, we didn't have to do any of that. I'll take it going smoothly for once. You gotta have it happen sometime.
Yeah.
Like you were saying about what, when you went out with Brad, you know, there's just days where you snag 7 times.
Yep.
Yeah, that was one of the problems we had though when we went striper fishing the first time. Is we went to Bass Pro and everywhere was sold out of sardines. We were gonna try, like, everywhere was completely sold out.
Yeah, I forget. Oh, when I went to Johnson's earlier this week, they were all sold out of anchovies because that's what they were hitting on pretty much.
Yeah, anchovies, sardines. Yeah, it depends on what. Yeah, as soon as one person catches a good one on it, everybody runs and buys whatever they said. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Oh, it's a good one. Yeah. It's a good one. It's a good one.
Oh, yeah.
Man,
Fight him out.
I think I have my drag too tight. Give him a little more play. All right. Do you want this lure? You can have this lure now.
No, go for it.
You were all good on it. Woo!
Man, that is a nice one.
Is it female? Any eggs? Spawned or not spawned? Doesn't look super fat. Do they get like a fat belly like regular bass do when they have eggs?
Yeah.
Get the.
She's already spawned out at this female.
Yeah, it doesn't. I don't see that, like, you know, that bump. This one's even bigger. Well, this lure better not snap off right now, cause. Yeah.
Wow, that's a nice fish.
Yeah, let's see what we can do. That is a good fish. Out of curiosity, let's see how good. All right, that's the trick, I guess. Yeah, try it. Yeah,
you can try that. You gotta hold hard.
Yeah. Don't want to lose this one.
Good.
That was a good one. There we go. Just out of curiosity. Yeah, 24. Just about.
Yeah,
just shy of
24.
Just shy of 24. All right.
Oh man.
Oh, I got.
You got a scale?
I did. I have one on the truck, but I don't know if I brought the little one.
That one got wet.
Oh, sweet. I do. I do. Hopefully.
Probably about 5 or 6 pounds.
Does it work? Is it working? Yeah, there we go. You're a little skinnier than largemouth, though, for one. Alright. Just about 5?
Yeah, 5.
Yeah, between 4 and 9 and 5 pounds.
Very good.
Well, stop wiggling so I can get this out of you.
Yeah, I didn't think you'd do anything with it.
5 pounds. And the bait's been the deal, huh?
Yeah.
Till today.
Yeah.
Alright. Got that? Woo-hoo. Alright. That was nice. I like that.
Yeah. Like that. Good fight, huh?
Yeah. Oh, they're right there. A couple of them.
Yeah.
Oh, he had it.
Oh.
I kid you not, he nipped it. On the
face go back on him.
right there. Yeah, there must be a couple of them because it was instantly right there. But it was not. I don't think I had the bail set before he took it.
Oh. Yeah, you pretty much went right where he was, dude.
That seems to be a good trick for today. So the scrounge minnow is what's doing it. The scrounge head minnow. Yeah, it was a scrounge. You said it was a scrounge head jig, right?
Yeah, scrounge jig head.
Scrounge jig head with a fluke.
Yeah, chartreuse fluke tail.
Watch, I'll put it.
I mean, they do catch them on other things, but
yeah,
this is what we've had the best luck on.
So I've seen people use them before, but I have not. First one on the minnow finally.
Oh!
No! He stole your minnow. I turned my camera on for that. For the minnow, that's not good.
He was fighting good, and then all of a sudden he's gone.
Yeah, I saw him.
Figures. That's how you lose a fish.
Alright. I'll keep that in mind. I'm trying to lose the next one. Man, that was right where they were though, right in the middle.
Yeah, yeah. Right where you saw a splash, huh?
Yep.
We're talking about losing fish too.
You jinxed yourself on that. You're just talking about losing those fish.
Down by the water's edge where the shadows lie, a mortician sits alone with the gleam in his eye.
Alright, ended our day with 3 keeper stripers. Can't complain. It's about 1 o'clock and we're just getting off the water. First 2 bites happened pretty early on, and the third one happened a bit later. There was a 4th one that was lost. And then a couple teasing fish biting our worms and our sardines. So all in all, great time.